Hi there. So it's time for another art journal page. I'm just sitting down to play. Most of the time when I sit down at my art journals, I really don't have anything in mind that I want to do. I just get out my paint, start splashing it on pages, add collage material, and just see what happens. I tend to like to work intuitively like that because this really is just for my own benefit, my own well-being, my own creative expression. So what happened today is I had bought some collage material from an online company called Shein, Shein, and they carry a lot of clothes from women is what I've seen mainly, but they also have a stationery line. And within that line, they have a lot of vintage images that are a lot of them already put on stickers for you, others that you can glue down, washi tapes, etc. So I just put down some paint today, laid a bunch of the collage material that I had gotten in from Shein, and then I just created a face out of my head on top. And I tried to do colors that just kind of all married with what was going on the page. So I have an auburn head girl. And it was just a lot of fun. So if you enjoy this, you want to see more, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to be notified when I put new videos out. And thank you so much for joining me. Bye.